Hi, I'm Tom Gattuso, Vice President of Events for SEMA, and I'm standing in the New West Hall at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I'm thrilled that we can come together this year to celebrate the innovation and products and people in our industry. This year, the SEMA show will be more than just cars and trucks. It's a celebration of the automotive aftermarket. We've also got some great education programs in development, and we're expecting that the new product showcase will be one of the best in the history of our show. We're already hearing about some of the vehicle builds that will be debuting, and we believe you're going to see some of the best vehicles on the planet. By the end of the week, we'll have awarded the best new products with the SEMA Show New Product Awards and the best vehicles of the show in the Battle of the Builders contest. There's a product pitching contest called SEMA Launch Pad that will shine a light on new innovators and entrepreneurs in the industry. With this year's show, there's literally something to excite your passion at every turn. Be sure to visit our website, semashow.com, for the latest updates. That's where you'll be able to register for the show, secure housing, and there's a link for manufacturers to apply for booth space as well. Don't forget to follow us on social media at SEMA Show. All of us at SEMA look forward to welcoming you to the show this year, and we can't wait to see you in November.